Hello, Gino with Music Villa. Today on Gino likes the Novation Launchkey series. These are really cool keyboard controllers. We carry all 5 of them. There's a 25 key, 37, 49, 61, and even an 88 weighted key controller that we carry. The primary use for these things, I like to kind of explain it as it's like the keypad for your computer that has the ABC and the numbers on it. These are just data entry points for your DAW or whatever software you're running, but it feels like a real instrument. Really nice semi-weighted keys. The pads are Novation's own Launchpad FSR style pads. So they feel very playable. You can put drum sounds on these. Part of what's really cool about this, you've got the keys, the FSR pads, dials, and sliders. And if you're not familiar with what a controller keyboard really does, it allows you to program these things to do anything. I mean, you can have a slider turn a part up and down. You can have a pad trigger a sample. You can have a key trigger a sample. You also have your standard pitch bend and mod wheels and octave keys here. Probably what's really cool is people don't realize is the Novations come with Ableton Live, which is a software that allows you to make loops and kind of play with different sounds. But Novation also sends you their own software that gives you hundreds of great sounds, synthesizer sounds, which can be fun with these controllers. Orchestral sounds, piano sounds, all those things. Also, they do some cool stuff in there where you have, I believe, 30 different scales that are programmed in. So if you can't play, you can select from a menu. And there's also a chord generator that'll do either fixed chords or alternate chords that you can lend a little bit of programming to. So what really happens is you end up with an incredibly fun, super creative tool, and because most of the power is in the software, the cost of these things is pretty minimal. So come on in and check them out.